Hello, hello, how are you? Happy Wednesday. Happy to all of us. And now I have. Okay, so thank you. Thank you again for keeping me this time, summers. Thank you very much. Now, I'm just go there in the balcony to fix my mood. Listen to the weather. The weather is very super They're working now, Padano. Building is still continue working. Ganun yung panahon, ganun yung weather dito, very so hot. Ayan o, hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin yan talaga. It's a long time ago already. It's still working. So that is, maybe that one is already centennial. How many years na from before the war and until now. Oh, you see? Naabutan ko pa yan. Oh. Meron pa yan. Meron pa yung isang mosque doon. Yan, hindi yata yan mosque. Iwan ko. Basta ang pagkaalam ko yan, hindi yan mosque. Okay? Ano muna natin yan dyan. Nabaliktad na naman yung cellphone ko. Aroy ko. Paupo nga muna sa saglit because grabe ka. Katatapos ko lang maglinis. Anong oras na? 1 o'clock na yata. So ayan, inano ko muna yan. Tinapos ko muna yung video ko para sa live ko na natapos yung yung result. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you everything that we have. Kaya ganun talaga siguro. So fix ko muna yan para pagkatapos okay na. Kaya happy watching. So ulitin ko yung tumutulong sa akin from the beginning until now, mga some vloggers that they are always support, not always naman din, because sometimes if they have free time, and the viewers and the supporters and some subscriber of mine that they are also watching. So thank you very much. Maano yung throat ko, yung medyo siya kasi nga nabaliktad ng cellphone, basag na yung cellphone, hindi magtagal basag na yung cellphone. Oo na, sige na, thank you, bye again, thank you for watching and more blessings at all. Ulitin ko, nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries, to the different people in this world, that we are not in the same time. So thank you so much talaga sa angkan to angkan, both side ng nanay at tatay ko, my younger brother, the late na agad na yung ko, younger brother ko is already he is passing by already, and keep safe my next brother, may mga sister-in-laws and may mga nieces and may mga apo-apo sa tuhod, relatives ang kanto-angkan, mga kababata, sa mga amo, to sisi, to all of them with their family, both side, and to all of us. So thank you very much for giving me another blessings. Thank you so much. Oh, Yela na, baka mamaya darating na si Sisi. Okay, Yela, bye. Keep safe. Ano pa ba? Marami nang hindi ko na nasabi. Basta lahat na nagiging party sa journey na meron ako as OFW, lalo na sa maliit na channel ko, YouTube channel. Thank you YouTube. Thank you to the founder, to the workers and the staff. Thank you. And to all of them that you are belong in the social media, lalo na ang hometown ko. Grabe na nila talaga kaano sa mga social media. Okay, so I say thank you. And bye-bye.